Now let's move on to the next headline.
A team known as the Fact Checkers at the Washington Post has ranked U.S. President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump as the top Pinocchios who told the most lies this year.
미국 워싱턴포스트지에서 활동하는 일명 팩트체커 팀이 올해 가장 거짓말을 많이 한 피노키오 리스트에 조 바이든 미국 대통령과 도널드 트럼프 전 대통령을 올렸습니다. 민주당과 공화당 각각
Yep. At least they have one each.
명씩인데
Yeah.
일부러 그렇게 한 건지는 모르겠습니다만 피노키오 유명하죠.
Yep.
이제 거짓말을 하면 코가 길어지는 동화 속 인물. 자, 그런데 이런 리스트가 있군요. 피노키오 리스트.
Yes.
어떤 거짓말을 어떻게 해서 그런 건가요?
Yeah. Well, President Biden he's rumored and is known to incorporate personal stories.
They exaggerate both
Yes.
Biden and Trump.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Into his speeches. And this is commonly done by politicians alike. And I guess being a president, you are in the spotlight a lot of the times. And that is why fact checkers look into his speeches a lot. However, throughout his career, he did have a lot of this exaggeration going on. And this has raised concerns about whether or not he has been truthful in a lot of the cases. So this pattern actually has persisted into his third year as president. And instances such as exaggerating a 2004 house fire and sharing implausible stories about an Amtrak conductor. And Trump also, former President Donald Trump, has also falsely claimed that after retaliating against Iran, he received a call from officials who promised to deliberately miss a military base with their next strike. And in reality, Trump canceled the initial strike and Iran did not give such assurances.
그러니까 이런 연설 중에 과장하는 경향들이
Yes.
현 대통령과 전 대통령이 다 있는데요. 그런 횟수가 좀 많았군요.
That's right.
바이든 대통령 같은 경우에는 예전에 집에 불이 났었다. 근데 이걸 좀 과장해가지고 엄청난 화재가 발생한 것처럼 했으나 그건 아니었다고 합니다.
That's right.
그다음에 트럼프 전 대통령 같은 경우에는 예전에 이란과의 그 접전이 있었을 때 이란이 전화를 해가지고 나한테 약속을 했다. 내가 나와 합의를 통해서 우리 쪽에다가 포격을 가하지 않기로. 그래서 내가 이렇게 잘 해결했다. 이렇게 말했지만 사실 그게 아니었다고 합니다.
That's right.
앞서서 미국이 먼저 공격을 하는 것을 취소하다 보니 저절로 이란에서도 역공격을 하지 않았던 것이지.
That's right.
전화해서 이렇게 우리는 미국을 공격하지 않겠습니다. 이런 말 한 적이 없다는 거죠. 이런 저런 사례들이 많이 있는 것
That's
같은데.
true.
자, 그러면 한번 볼게요. 첫 번째 표현은 a team known as the fact checkers.
Yes. So I think that you've seen the abbreviation AKA a lot of the time. So that actually stands for also known as, meaning that this A is also commonly known as B. And in this case, a team also known as the fact checkers at the Washington Post. So there is a team at the Washington Post, but they are known to others as the fact checkers. Their name is the fact checkers.
The first person that comes to mind is Dwayne Johnson.
Yes.
그래서 Dwayne Johnson, aka The Rock.
Yes,
이렇게
exactly.
말할 수 있는 것처럼 소위 뭐뭐뭐라고 알려진이라고 할 때 also known as 줄여서 AKA라고 합니다. 여기서는 also는 없어요. 헤드라인에. 그렇지만 a team known as the fact checkers. 팩트 체커로 알려진 한 팀이 되겠죠. 그리고 former president라고 할 때 그 former는요?
If you say former something, it's usually put in front of a specific role or a particular thing. It means that this person used to be that president or that role. So having previously filled a particular role. So in this case, President or former President Donald Trump used to be the president of the United States, but he's not anymore. So you would say former president.
It's the same as ex-president.
Yes.
former는 이전의라는 뜻이 있습니다. 그래서 전 대통령 할 때 ex-president도 되고 former president도 됩니다. 다시 한번 제가 읽어볼게요. A team known as the fact-checkers at the Washington Post has ranked US President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump as the top Pinocchios who told the most lies this year.